So I did this thing where I ordered exhaust for the go-kart, so it might be a little loud later on when I crank it up. But this is it. So small, but it's a turn down. Hope it has some kind of back pressure, but it probably won't. But I just don't like that factory look. And that factory sound needs to be a little bit louder. So I'm gonna install this puppy and I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds like. See, I got those 2 bolts off. The gasket stuck on there, but we still gonna go along with it. See what it do. And it comes with lock washers. So let me put these on real quick, and as you see, it's been swapped. I ran it a little bit. It sounds loud, really loud. No, I gotta swap that jet out, put the air filter on here, and we'll call it a stage 1 Predator build. But I'm gonna crank it up and let's hear it. I still gotta get that phone mount so y'all can drive it, so y'all can see how it sounds, and I can get my speed, because I don't know how fast it goes. So yeah, don't forget to like it if you like it and subscribe. See y'all in the next one.